So what is the median for the raw data? It is the value in the middle of the arranged array of the data. So what it actually does is that it divides the array of the data into two equal groups. The one on the left side will have lower values, and the one on the right side should have the higher values. So let us first arrange the data. Let us sort the data from small to large in order to find the median. If you arrange this data, it will be, I think, here, let's arrange it here, maybe 1, and then another 1, and then 2 and 3. Okay, and then there is another 3, and then 4 and 5. Okay, so these are the data have been arranged. So if you look at the first statement here, what it does is actually dividing the data into two equal groups. So let's divide the data into two equal groups. This is how many values now? This is an example, it has odd number of values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 values. That's an odd number. So n here is equal to 7. So n is equal to 7, and 7 actually is an odd number. So in this case, what will happen? What will happen is that you have a group of values on the left side that are smaller, and a group of values on the right side that are larger in value, and they are equal groups. Of course, this is 3 values, this is 3 values, and that's what it actually say here. It will divide the data into two equal groups. This is the two equal groups. Who's doing this? It's the median. So where is the median? The median is here. It's in the middle. The median is equal to 3. Look at the second statement. It says located at the position n plus 1 divided by 2. So n is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 divided by 2 is 4. That's the fourth position. Okay, so that's very simple. That's how we get the median. We just divide the data into two equal groups and we pick up the value in the middle. And of course, don't forget you must arrange the data first. So that's when the data are 7 values, odd number. What about if the data is an even number of values? Like in this example, how many values we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's an even number. Let's arrange the data first. The smallest value here is 656, so just write that. 656. And then 684, and then 702, and then 764, 856, and 1132, 1133, and 1303. Okay, so there are 8 values. Obviously, the two groups will be 4 values each. And that's the first step to do. You need, before you pick the median, divide the data into two equal groups. Especially here when it's even number, a lot of students confused, and they think the first group has 3 values and the second group has 3 values, and they leave these two not in any group, which is a big mistake. 8 values divided into 2 groups, then every group is 4 values. 8 by 2 is 4. So 4 values here, 4 values here. And the question now is, where is the median? The median should be in the middle. Well, I don't have anything left over after these 2 groups. So the median will come from the average of these 2 values, the 764 and the 856. So that's the median, in fact. You just get the average of 764 plus 856, and then you get this result undivided by 2. So the average in this case will be the median, which is 810. Okay, so that's it. And again, if you want to check the second part of where is the median, it's n plus 1 over 2. N is 8, so 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 over 2 is 4.5. 4.5 means the position is 4.5. Here's the first value, second value, third value, fourth value, fifth value. Between the fourth and the fifth value, this is the position 4.5, which is in the middle here. That means it's the average of the fourth value and the fifth value. So that's the median. So again, that's the 2 cases. If we have odd number, then the median will be one of the values. It's actually the value in the middle after you arrange. But if you have even number of values, the median will be the average of the two values in the middle. Okay, and it's important to know that the first group here reach all the way to the fourth value, and the second group start from the fifth value. Why is it too important? Because later on we have some applications that require the knowledge of the first group and the knowledge of the second group, as we will see in quartiles. Okay.